Well guys, so this evening I took the old engine out of the bike and I put the rebuilt engine into the bike. I've been having a few issues with spark timing, but I will set that eventually. I haven't set it in any way with a bulb or anything like that yet. I have a few problems trying to get it to run. It does run, but it only runs with the choke on. So I'll just give you an example of that now before I finish for the night, just to show you that our work hasn't been in vain totally. If I can get you to sit here, that looks alright, doesn't it? Don't fall now. Yeah, that's not going to work because you're going to fall. I'm going to seat over, see if I can lean these against that. Oh yeah, way better. That's going to fall forward. Have to find some way of propping it up. Maybe I'll just stick the light in front of you. Maybe that'll do. Maybe not. If it'll stay there, it looks okay. Right, let's give it a shot. Key on. I put oil in it before I started here, so looking for the choke. Choke's on. Throttle open a little bit. So there you go guys, she's running. I'll have to fattle about and mess with the timing a bit, but it should be okay I think. Happy days. So I now have my rebuild engine with my 6-speed box, and hopefully it's all going to work out good. But she definitely looks a lot nicer in there than the other engine. I'll show you the other engine compared to it. Much better than that. State of it. But I will do this engine up too. I do intend to keep this engine because this is the parts, the number matching for the frame engine for this bike. So I do intend to hold on to it. So there you go. I'm not going to start it again because it's a bit late tonight. Kids in bed and stuff, so. Thanks for watching Demo 690. Short video this evening, but a happy one.